Hi, and welcome. My name is Chowa, and we're playing The Farmer Was Replaced. So, interesting game. I understand that it's a puzzle programming game. Let's see what it's about. Getting started. This window contains information about everything in the game. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the gray part of the window. You can move around by dragging anywhere outside the windows. To get started with programming, go to the first program page by clicking it. Be sure to check out the buttons on the top right corner of the screen. Hover over them to see a tooltip explaining what they do. One of them opens the tech tree. Create a new code file. Open a new info window. Open the unlock tree. While. Uh, do I have anything? Programming, comments, unlocks, grass. Okay. Start, stop execution. Hello world. Okay. Delete. Get started with program, go to the first program. First program, text editor. All programming is done in code windows. Each code window corresponds to a text file containing code. You can rename the file by clicking on its name on top. Okay. Of the window. The code can be edited like in any text editor as long as it's not running. You can execute the program directly by pressing the green play button on the code window. You can create more code files using the plus button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can dock a window to another window by dragging it into it. Okay. You will notice that once you start typing, a simple code completion window will pop up. Press tab to insert the code completion. What? Do a flip. This is not a valid statement. Did you mean to write? Okay. Oh, you don't need it. Ooh. Do a flip. It works. Currently there are two drawn commands available, harvest and do a flip. Harvest. Okay. These are functions calls. You can think of a function as a command that can be executed. You execute it using the error. Change hat. New hat unlocked. I can change a hat. Okay. You can think of a code as harvest or flip harvest. You can run multiple statements in a row like this. Oh. Unlocks. Collecting grass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loops in the unlock menu. Open the unlock menu with the button on top of the right corner. Okay, I have 15 of them. Increase the speed of both the drone and code execution. While. While loop. You have unlocked that while loop and the value true and false. The while loop keeps executing the loop body as long as the condition is true. While condition loop body. Don't worry about creating infinite loops. The delay in the execution will prevent the program from freezing. For beginners, perhaps you have already tried to put several harvest calls in a row. This allows you to harvest several times in one program run. However, it will be nice to harvest more than 3 times, and writing the same code multiple times is bad practice. The solution is a loop. A loop always allows you to run the same code multiple times. The while loop takes a condition. While is a logical value that can only be on the true or false. Such a value is called Boolean value. The loop then executes the code inside the loop until the condition is false. The while loop looks like this. While condition loop body, where you have to replace condition with the Boolean value and loop body with whatever you want to do in the loop. While false or while true. While true, harvest. Infinite loop. Nice. The first will never do a flip and the second will do flips forever. And infinite loop. Normally creating an infinite loop is a bad idea because it will freeze the program. But in this game there are delays between each iteration of the loop, so it will cause the drone to keep doing a flip until you manually stop it by pressing the execute button again. Notice how the line after the colon is intended. And then indentation like this is used to separate blocks of code. Just press tab to add indentation and shift tab or backspace to remove it. The loop will repeat all intended statement after the colon. Statement after the intended block will be executed after the loop has finished. Okay, what do we have here? Hats. That's for your drone. Hats. You have unlocked a few new hat colors of your drone. Equip them like this. Change hat. Hats, gray hat, purple hat, green hat, brown hat. Oh, there it is. Change hat. Hats. Traffic cone. Nice. Fashionable. Awesome. Hats, traffic cone. Let's go with hats, green hat. Okay, let's leave it like that. So we have 275. Increase the speed of both the drone and code execution. Speed upgrade. The execution speed has been doubled. The problem is that the drone now harvests faster than the grass can grow, resulting to no harvest at all. To deal with this, if branches and then can harvest function are now unlocked. Checking before harvesting. So far we only had true and false conditions, which is of course not very useful. What if? The new function can harvest, provide a better condition. While can harvest. Oh, so we're doing it like this. If can harvest. Wait. If the plant under the drone can be harvested and false otherwise. Maybe like this. This is not a valid expression. Oh. The reason you can use this function as a condition like this is because it returns a Boolean value. A return value essentially means that after the functionality is executed, the functional call expression evaluates to the returned value. What happens when above code runs? The if runs can harvest is called, does its thing. Okay, so let's try it like this. And like that. Working, right? Now we can use if to prevent the drone from harvesting too early. Okay. So we have 300. We can go for this one. Increase the yield of grass. Okay. Oh, I just get more. Okay. Expands the farmland and unlocks movement. Okay, it grew. Expand 1. Your farm has grown. Your farm has grown. This space is not much use if you can't move the drone. So there is a new function, move, that moves the drone move. Moves the drone. Move requires that you specify the direction in which you want the drone to move. There are 4 new constants for now: north, east, south, west. For example, move north will move the drone 1 square to the north. If you move over the edge of the farm, the drone will be moved to the other side of the farm. The following example code will keep moving the drone north and wrap back to the start when it reaches the edge of the farm. Yeah, move north. It works, right? Looks like it works. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so what we can get here unlocks planting plant in entities bush. Grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted, while the plant function with the plant function. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant to the function like this. Plant entities bush. Okay, plant entities bush. It works somehow. Okay, 500, that's too many. Increase the speed of both the drone and code execution. It works somehow. Okay, expand the farm. Expand 2. Your farmers has expanded again. Now the tiles are no longer in a nice row. So you need to find a way to traverse a square grid. With the while loops, this is not possible until you unlock senses and operators. It is time to introduce the for loop. You can read all about the for loop on the for loop page, but for now you will only need it to repeat a code a fixed number of times. Hey! What the hell? Expand 2, this one. Okay, do and flips. For I in range 5, do a flip. So I can make it for I range 5. Let's make 3. Like this? No, that one. And then move east. It works somehow. The function get world size is also available now. In return, it returns the side length of your farm. This way you can write code that won't break with the next expand upgrade. For eye and range, get world size. Oh. Get world size. Yeah, this is even better. It works. It doesn't matter. Okay. If you're stuck in or you're trying to figure out how to move the drone around the farm, see the hint below. No, I already have it. We have enough. 500 entities bush. To also help with debugging program, print hi. Oh, till the soil and plant carrots. Plant entities carrot. Oof. How am I supposed to do that now? Arithmetic comparison and logic operators. If not, can harvest. And 1 plus 1. Oh, that's a lot. Print. Debug. Sometimes your code just doesn't work and you need to find out why. There are a couple of tools to help to do that. The first to execute the program step by step. You can go into step-by-step mode with the button next to the execute button or by setting a breakpoint. Print true or false. Print, yeah, if it gets there. Okay. We have unlocked that. Till. Carrots. Before you can plant carrots with plant entities carrot, have to till the soil. This will change the ground to ground soil. To till the soil, simply call till. Calling till again will change it back to grounds, grassland. Planting carrots cost wood and hay. These items will be automatically removed when calling plant entities carrot. Can I hay wood? Like, can I get amount of them? Like, if there's too many of them, and I'm curious. I'm curious if this works like that. Like, if hay. No, I cannot. Oh, sorry. No, I still cannot do that. Too bad. So I unlocked that one. What are the plans to make them grow faster? 500 to yield more. Operators. Yeah, arithmetic operators, not and or. Comparison operators. Now that I have a comparison, can I get a amount of hay and wood? Entities. Yeah, I could make like if amount. No. Hey, entities? Hey, entities. What else there is? Hats. Items. North. Okay, let's try if items. Yeah, there it is. Obtained from bushes and tree you have hay, less than 30. No, more. Let's go for more. Okay. Colon. No. Where is more? Where is it? A colon? Why? Yeah. For so it moves. This one, right? So I can do this one. Can I do that? Why it's never defined? This is it. This is it. If zero has never been defined. So I cannot use it like that? Stars of my code has never been. How I can start it? Okay, let's let's right now just use it. The operator cannot be used on the operand's item hay in 300. Why? What gives you item hay? Oh, we can actually use it here. So print items hay. What? Print items hay, and he just prints it. Items hay. Is there anything else? Amount? Maybe we still not get what it needs. Okay. I can unlock this. So we at least... Okay, so this doesn't work right now. Hey, farmer. So I still cannot get... The drone can see what's under it and where it is. If gets position... Ooh, this is so... Assign values to variables. Next plan... Oh. Get time... Test faster under produce condition. Use list store lots of value. Oh. Define your own functions. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so now... So I need to unlock it first. What are the plans to make them grow faster? Okay, I'm still not ready for that. I'm still thinking what I need to do next. Okay, let's go. I need not main. I'm not sure if it will work. No, let's go here. While true, 4 in range, move north, we can harvest. Here we will till. Carrot. So now we're getting carrots. Okay, we're getting carrots. It's like 2 programs. Okay, they're working, right? But this is 2 programs that cannot work simultaneously. So it's either bushes or carrots. So, oh, if I have a list, I can put all of these entities that I need to plant, but I don't need to till. But I can actually use a if planted entity is carrot, then till. If not, then just plant, right? Interesting. What's there? For the output, the C output is truncated output. Warning, cannot plant entities carrot on ground grassland. Oh. Wait, but I till everything. It works, no? Okay. Expand the farm. This also clears the farm. Okay, it works. Increase the speed of both drone and code execution. Okay, it works, it works. Ooh, trees. That's interesting. Set speed. Senses. Okay. It's an interesting game. So to get more of these, I need more. Okay. Okay. Now we're working for this. So now we're getting more and more of plants. New hut unlocked. Tree hut. Wood farmer. That's nice. So for this we need 500 carrots. For this... Ooh, expand farm even more. Okay. I actually won this one. Yeah, a really interesting game. I like something like this. So now we can get more. I'm actually curious how far we can go. There's not that much. But it's already, with only this unlocked, there is already a problem. So I can use a set speed, it's not right now. And the drone can see what's under it and where it is. So now we can see what's on, I think we must unlock it. And this assign values to variables. Next plant. So, but I need it with lists. Like I don't hear about that next plant. How else I can... Okay, that's interesting. Really interesting. So I can unlock this too. I can unlock... Oh, I want to unlock this one. Use items, water. Sorry. So where is it? So we have 300, right? So now I can go for that one. Unlock entities 3. I need 100. So let's go for 100. Okay. Watering. Plants grow faster when they water. The ground has a water level ranging from 0 to 1. The function get water returns the water level of the ground to it is over. The growth speed of a plant scales linearly from 1x speed at water level 0 to 5x speed at water level 1. The ground dries up over time. An average loses 1% of its current water per second. But there is some random variance to this. Maintaining a high water level will consume much more water than maintaining a low water level. You can use water... Oh, I need water. Where am I getting it? One tank of water is eventually added to your inventory over every 10 seconds. Upgrading and unlock watering will double the amount of water you're... Oh. So I can... okay. Okay, this game is actually so much bigger. I think that, yeah, we can try one more. There's a lot to unlock and a lot of strategies to, like, produce, invent. I like it. Let's see it next time. Thank you for watching. Wait. We'll go for this. I hope you enjoyed. Smash like if you did. Leave your comments and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye.